For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Team Indian captain Virat Kohli has said that he is quite intrigued by the extraterrestrial life. He said that one day he would definitely want to see an unseen flying object. Kohli also added that seeing UFO is one of the aims to accomplish in his life. This revelation was made in an Instagram interaction with his Test teammate Ravichandran Ashwin.
Something you're thinking about and it happens exactly like that. You're so convinced about it happening because you're so present in that moment that you just want to make most of that opportunity and things just pan out that way. And it's amazing. That realization is something else. So you understand that, there's something bigger going on here, and all you have to do is just focus on playing the game the right way and having the right intent. But yeah, I would love to see a UFO someday, and that's one of my aims in life.
Virat Kohli also talks about his journey as a junior cricketer to senior player of the side and captaining one of the best sides in the world. Kohli said that it has not happened in just 1 or 2 days, and it is a hard work of several years. During the conversation, Ravichandran Ashwin asked him about the relationship he shares with former captain MS Dhoni. Virat explained that their friendship is of 6 to 7 years and Dhoni is the reason behind his elevation to the captaincy.
Confidence that I can do this after him. I think it was a large portion of me becoming captain was also to do with him observing me for a long period of time. It just can't happen like, he goes and then selectors say, okay, you become captain. Obviously, the guy who's there, he takes responsibility and says, okay, I think this is the next guy and I will tell you how he's going, and then slowly that transition is formed, which I think he played a big role in that, and that trust you have to build over 6-7 years. It just doesn't happen overnight, and I think it's a process.
Indian captain also talks about his personal life, especially about his wife. Kohli said that he is very much inspired by his wife Anushka Sharma. Kohli further added that Anushka knows what she is doing and follows her gut feeling and instincts to the end. That's the quality she possesses, and that's what Virat likes in her.
She's a person who always does the right thing, and she follows her gut, she follows her instinct, and she follows it to the T. She's absolutely fearless. So when she does that, she believes in that project, and I think that is key. That is something that I have also learned looking at her. To have that belief that you're doing the right thing, then whatever happens left, right, center, you're not bothered by it. There's a lot of negativity that comes your way, and she's strong enough to go through all that.
Many believe that, like Sachin Tendulkar, Virat too is the destiny child, but Virat says he absolutely loves sports and he follows it with his instincts. Virat also said that he doesn't bother about what others say and won't let the pressure to take a toll on him.